Hi! Today I'll share an idea on how you can repair your quite expensive Sennheiser Momentum 3 wireless headphones yourself, if one side isn't working or the headphones won't turn on. Step 1. Open both ear cups and use a multimeter to check which of the 11 internal wires is broken. Once you find the broken wire, there are only two options. Option 1. Replace the entire wire. This means fully disassembling the headphones. However, I couldn't find the exact same replacement cable online, so you would need to find a different cable that has 11 wires inside. Option 2, the method I use in this video. Take a working wire from a less important function, for example from the microphone or buttons, and use it to restore sound to both sides. In short, sacrifice a less essential function to bring back the headphone audio. But now let me show you how I repaired these Sennheiser headphones.